Hello, friends. Welcome to Chic Wall Chronicles, your ultimate destination for all things related to transforming a native wall into extraordinary wall of art. Our channel is dedicated to inspiring and guiding you through the captivating world of wall decoration, offering a wealth of creative ideas, techniques, and expert tips to help you revamp your living spaces. Join us on a journey where we explore various aspects of wall decor, from intricate murals to innovative dye projects that will add personality and charm to any room. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or just starting out, our videos cater to all skill levels, providing step-by-step tutorials that are both easy to follow and immensely rewarding. Immerse yourself in a diverse range of styles, from minimalist modern designs to lush, nature inspired motifs. We believe that every wall has a story to tell, and we are here to help you craft your own narrative through color, texture, and creativity. Our team of passionate artists, designers, and enthusiasts is dedicated to bringing you fresh and innovative content every week. From exploring the latest trends in wall coverings to showcasing time tested techniques, we are committed to keeping you at the forefront of the ever evolving world of wall decoration. In addition to our tutorial videos, we will also share insightful product reviews, budget friendly hacks, and interviews with industry experts. You will have access to a vibrant community of fellow decor enthusiasts where you can exchange ideas, seek advice, and celebrate your achievements together. We believe that a well decorated wall can transform not just a room but an entire living experience. It's a form of a self expression that resonates with you and those who share your space. So, whether you are looking to create a cozy haven, a vibrant playroom, or an elegant sanctuary, Chic Wall Art Chronicle is here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching my video.